Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobAlert.in. Friends, in this video we are going to see a lot of freshers job openings from a single company. So this company is currently having a new expansion, so further they are having vacancies. So let us see the complete details in this video. Friends, coming to the company name, the company is Kwality Pharmaceutical. So they are having their new expansion for their Amritsar plant. So let us see the multiple positions that are hiring now. So coming to this, this is a walk-in interview, friends, and the date of this walk-in interview is 11th June 2022. So you need to share your CV to the following mail ID, which is mentioned here on the screen, which is praveen.nain@qualitypharma.co.in. so they have also provided the WhatsApp number. You can also WhatsApp them, so you can share your CV to their email ID as well as WhatsApp. So coming to the location of the walk-in interview, the walk-in interview is 6th Milestone Village, Nagan, Kalan, Majda Road, Amritsar. So this is pin code also mentioned here. So here you can see the departments. So coming to the first department, which is quality control department, and they are looking for trainee or officer or senior officer or executive. So let us see the profile. You must have knowledge on QMS, FG section and as well as RM section. The qualification they are looking for is B.pharma, M.pharma as well as M.sc and B.sc candidates. So freshers as well as experienced candidates also apply. So make yourself a good resume suitable to the job opening and that you are applying. So let us see the some more openings from this company. And coming to the next department, which is quality assurance. So you must have knowledge of quality management system and some basic knowledge of validation, vendor qualification. So definitely you are going to have some knowledge on validation and also vendor qualification as well as QMS, because that you are going to study in your semester exams. So as these are freshers jobs, if you have a basic knowledge, that is enough for this job openings. So B.pharma, M.pharma as well as M.sc and B.sc candidates can apply. And coming to the next job opening, which is Biosimilars project R&D upstream and downstream process trainee. So passed out candidates with a good percentage and having knowledge in the relevant area. So for these positions, B.tech, Biotech and M.sc Biotech candidates are eligible. Freshers and experienced candidates up to 5 years. So let us see the final and last two departments, which is manufacturing and packaging department. So coming to the manufacturing department, they are looking for a trainee operator or senior operator. So the qualification or skills required is coating, granulation, compression. These are the areas in which you need to have the skill set. So ITI or diploma candidates with 0 to 5 years. So if you are an experienced candidate, you need to have those skills. Freshers can also apply for this post. So coming to the next thing is packaging department, which is trainee officer or a senior officer or executive, the responsible for packing line handling. So B.pharma or M.pharma candidates are eligible with 0 to 4 years of experience. So final thing is packaging department, which is trainee operator or senior operator. So BQS, Rotovac, EcoStar, Wallpack, Highcart, check weigher. So these are the equipments or instruments you need to have some skill set regarding those, idea of those equipments. Or so ITI diploma candidates are eligible, 0 to 5 years of experience. My dear friends, these are the complete details regarding the openings from this company. So once again you can see the interview location and also the job location. So all those details are mentioned here on the screen. So thank you for